Brilla, 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 Brilla toys.
Hello children, let's see how to work with nuts and bolts. Here you can see in this plate there are 4 nuts, okay, fixed with the bolts, right, and they are colorful. So would you like to know how to work? First what you have to do is you have to open each one of them. Now see, when I am opening, this is called unscrewing the bolt. So take it out. It has come out. Next, now keep this plate over here. So you have all the nuts and the bolts. So now let's see how to do an activity. So let me first choose the red one, okay, and with the red one, please remember we have to fix the red one only, okay. That means it's a color matching activity also, okay. Now how to do the activity? Hold the nut in one hand, this is called the nut, and this is called the bolt in another hand, okay. Then bring it close to it in such a manner that the bolt goes inside the nut, and then keep on turning it. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. You can do it fast also, and then okay, see, right. So this is how you can do it. So this you have seen. Now we will do on this plate. Let's see how to do it. This blue one, okay, right, and now chosen the blue one only, and then turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, yes, see, this is the thin plate, this is the nut, and this side the bolt got fixed. Same way you can do one more. Yes, make sure it is tight enough. Next, another one. Now we'll do the red one. So open it again. See how simple it is? You can easily do it. So remember children, you have to sit in one place keep this material either on a mat or a table, and then take out the bolts of every nut, keep them separated, and then when you are doing it, do a color matching activity. Means blue nut will go with the blue bolt. You want to try mix and match? You can try, but in that case the shapes will not match. Okay, so we are doing matching the shapes, like this is a square nut and we are also using a square bolt. Same it for triangle, then we have it here, yeah, hexagon, and then this is a plus sign. Okay, so all this you can do it.
Brilla toy.
Authentic wooden learning toys.